Hello, I am Renzo. This is Shelby. This is Bridget.
Lay down, it's like a bed. And now you can see fireman's in. I'll turn the legs down. Can you see? Can you hear it? Here, I'll turn the volume on. Have you seen it before? Yeah?
Yeah, just every day.
Every day? Probably all day? How is this teeth? Anything he's complaining about or you noticing?
No, he problems we brush once or twice a day.
Good. I'm gonna put this over your nice sweater. So. He's gone now watching.
Oh yeah, forget about him. You can do a full extraction.
Do you see this little mirror? Can you see yourself? Do you see your teeth? Where's your teeth? Do you know how many teeth you have? Do you know? How many is there? Let's see. I'll count them for you. Lots? Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Should we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 20 teeth. That's lots of teeth, right? Hi.
So many.
So many. Are they all healthy? Do any of them give you owies? Yeah. Can I see? Go. Oh, good job. Good. They all look so nice and clean. Good job. I'm just gonna go get Dr. Sharman. He's gonna come check them too, okay? Okay, I'll be right back.
Good job, man. Good job. Okay. You can watch Fireman Sam. Is that cool? It's on the ceiling. Do you like it? Wow, that's so cool. The TV's on the ceiling. Huh? Do you like it? Yeah. Hello, how are you? Say hi, Doc.
Hi Renzo, how are you? Oh, I like your little mittens. Those are cool. I guess they're gloves. Today, I'm gonna count your teeth, okay? So, do you want to see what our gloves look like? This is for you. These go on my hands. They're kind of like yours.
How to say thank you?
You're welcome. So we're gonna count your teeth in there, and then we're gonna get you a toy from the toy chest. Do you like toys? Yeah, perfect. So the first thing you do is I'm gonna put on my funny goggles. You like my funny goggles? They look funny, eh? They have these big binoculars on. And if I push this button right here, it's gonna turn this light on. Look at
Whoa,
that. Kind of cool, eh?
that's so
Yeah.
cool.
So this is so I can look at your teeth. And this right here is my mirror. Do you want to hold that for me? Yeah. Can you see yourself in that tiny mirror? Can you see yourself in that tiny mirror? It's small, eh? Wow, yeah. That's what we use to look at your teeth. So I'm going to count your teeth today. You got 2 teeth in there? Oh, thank you. Okay. What are you watching up there?
What is this?
Do you like the show? It's good, eh? Okay, I'll get you to open up nice and big for me and then I'll get you a toy after. Yeah, well, I'm just gonna count your teeth with this. Can you open up nice and big? Wow! Look how many teeth you got. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 teeth on the top. I'm gonna count your bottom teeth now, okay? Open up nice and big. Ah! Big, 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 big. Wow! You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you bite down for me? Can you close? Good job, buddy. You did awesome. Wow.
Oh, you did so good, Renzo.
Most kids his age don't do this well.
Oh, I'm surprised. I thought it was gonna be a problem.
No. He's got all of his baby teeth, so he's right on track. So it's 10 teeth on the top, 10 teeth on the bottom,
Okay.
No more teeth till age 6, and that's gonna be his bottom front teeth.
Oh, okay.
So that's when he'll start losing teeth.
Okay.
No cavities. Everything looks
Nice,
great. We'll
nice.
bring him in every 6 months.
Yeah.
Keep up what you're doing. Using a children's toothpaste, I guess, and a toothbrush.
Yes. So you're flossing in the evening and brushing twice a day.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys
thanks.
doing everything correct. So
Yeah.
keep up what you're doing.
Yeah. He
Great
was-
kid. Most
yeah.
kids would have been crying this whole.
I know. I'm surprised. I thought it was gonna be challenging. It was that for me.
Perfect. Do you want this? You want me to keep it? I'll show you something cool. Watch this. I'm gonna put a little bit of air in here. See that?
Whoa.
Watch.
Whoa. That
Like
is
a
so cool.
balloon. Kind of cool, eh? Yeah. Do you want to squeeze it? You want to see what it feels like? Go ahead, touch it. Yeah. It's funny, eh? You want to give me a high five? Go a high five like that. Yeah. Pretty
Whoa.
cool. Okay. Chelsea's gonna take a picture and get you a toy. Okay. I'm gonna bring the chair up for you.
Okay.
So
Say,
just bring your leg in a little bit. Good job, buddy.
say thank you, Doc. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll see you in 6 months, okay? I like your shoes too. Stylish kid.
Gotta be ready for the camera.
Yeah.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Of course. Yeah, my
What
pleasure.
toy would you like? Here, you can pick one. We have a ducky, or a horse,
Wow, that's so nice.
or a frog. Which one? I tried to pick up the little one for me.
Uh-huh.
That one? The horse? Okay, that's yours.
See, how do you say? How do you say?
Here, well
Ah.
done. You did so good.
Okay, you're all done.
What's your favorite color? I'll give you a toothbrush. Blue.
Ah.
I'll find you a blue one.
Did you like Renzo? Was it fun? Okay. Yeah, there we go.
Here,
Wow.
This timer, that's how long you need to brush your teeth. So mom and dad can help you with that, okay? This is your toothbrush.
Oh, very nice.
On there. Do you know who that is? It's Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. And then there's just little like flosser sticks. Just when their teeth start to get touching, then you need to just floss it there. a little.
Okay.
You're
Okay.
welcome. Okay, you can climb out. We'll go take a picture.